Gabriel stood and told Zechariah, your prayers has been answered. Zechariah was still doubting. He said, I am Gabriel. I stand in the presence of God. I don't know whether you understand. Before that time, angels have not appeared in over 400 years. There's a miracle God will do tonight. He has not done it in your family before. If your amen is louder than your neighbor, it shall happen for you tonight. The prophet said, I hear the sound of the abundance of what? Of rain. Some people are waiting to see the rain. The prophetic, you hear a sound before you see the rain. Your eyes will see the rain. Your ears will hear the sound.